Yesterday, the United States Supreme Court entered an interesting ruling in a case known as VL versus EL. It deals with gay adoption rights. And the facts of the case are essentially as follows. VL and EL were a couple, were legally married, and one of the spouses, VL, gave birth to 3 children that the couple raised from birth together as a family. At one point, it was decided that EL should legally adopt the 3 children. Unfortunately, at the time, the state where they lived, Alabama, did not recognize gay adoptions. So what the couple did is they went over state lines and obtained a legal adoption in the state of Georgia for the 3 children, and things were fine for a period of time. But sadly, as sometimes happens, the family, the spouses broke up. And then what happened is that VL refused to allow EL the opportunity to see her children. Things got so bad that EL went into court and asked a judge to enforce the order and allow her to enforce and to issue an order allowing her to see her children. The matter went through the Alabama courts, and ultimately, the court declared that the Georgia adoption was void, refused to recognize and give what's called full faith and credit to that adoption, to the adoption that was recognized by another state. And full faith and credit is an important thing in the United States. If we didn't have states recognizing marriages or adoptions or contracts that are drawn up in other states, then, for example, if you lived in Wisconsin and then moved to Texas, you'd have to get remarried in Texas. You don't have to because of full faith and credit. What EL did is then she had her attorneys bring this matter before the United States Supreme Court. And yesterday, the Supreme Court entered its ruling and found that Alabama got it wrong, that Alabama should have recognized this adoption. I have a copy of the order from the Supreme Court on my website, www.kathleenbonzik.esquire.com, if you'd like to take a look at it. This is Kathleen Bonzik. Thank you very much for watching and for listening today.